This is Kalonga Mwenda, a student at Baldwin High School and a Remake Learning Days youth ambassador. I just attended Assemble Learning Party Afro-futurism at 4824 Penn Avenue, 15224 Allegheny, Pennsylvania. This event was filled with fun activities and hospitable hosts. There was a mix of different demographics present. Kindergarten-aged children, young adults, and older adults made up those who attended. As someone interested in Afrofuturism, it was nice seeing people with that same interest, and some of those people teaching their children about it here. The event was more fun than educational, but the conversations I had had with the hosts and others there were insightful. It was a very laid-back environment. There was a painting station which was quite therapeutic, a keychain creation station, a video game station that is available on the App Store, and plenty more. One thing I've learned about Afrofuturism after this event is just how vital imagination is when creating through an Afrofuturistic lens. Seeing the demographics in age and race come together to partake in activities centered around Afrofuturism showed me it is also important in its ability to spark community. For Remake Learning Days, this is Youth Ambassador Kalonga Mwenda.